Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you with the final box of the first baseball group break. Exquisite. Make sure you check that out if you haven't yet. Pretty nasty final card of the box. So that was pretty solid. Here we go. 08 Premier. Hopefully we can finish this group break off very strong. See the Red Sox and Dodgers on the back. Alright, to start off, we have for the Orioles, numbered out of 99, Brooke Robinson. Next up, we have for the Astros, numbered out of 299, Josh Anderson. Rookie auto. And then we have for the Angels, triple jersey, Vladimir Guerrero, Jared Weaver, and Howie Kendrick, numbered out of 50. Premier trios for the Angels. Okay. Next up, very nice patches. Wow, there is like a little bit of silver. You guys can see that on YouTube there. There's some silver around, numbered 13 out of 50. 3 color and 4 color. There's a little bit of silver. I'm not sure what that is. Possibly from the bird, Nick Markakis for the Orioles. Let's try to get a better view for blog. If you can see on the second patch, there's a little bit of silver. Alright, next up, got a manufactured patch for the Cardinals, and that's numbered 4 out of 25, Bob Gibson, 1968, 1.12 ERA. And the final card, actually the second to last card, sorry about that. It'll be random between the Brewers, the Nationals, and the Braves. Ryan Braun, Ryan Zimmerman, Chipper Jones, numbered 40 out of 50. And now we got the final card. It's going to be a duel between the Dodgers and the Red Sox, numbered 9 out of 20. Takashi Saito and Jonathan Papelbon, numbered out of 20. So, there you go. Not the greatest box of 08 Premier, but a solid, exquisite, solid break overall. We'll be back with football coming up.